top 3 hardest and 3 easiest AP classes. Here we go. Third hardest, chemistry. Chemistry is already one of the hardest classes in high school, and adding an AP to it just makes it harder. You have to understand a lot of different math concepts, and you have to know how a lot of different elements work, so it's really difficult. Third easiest, AP Lang. Now, how hard the class is can depend on your teacher, but the test really isn't that bad. For the test, you have to write 3 different types of essays, and then you get an hour and 45-minute multiple choice section, so it's really not that bad, and if you're a good writer, you'll do good on it. Second hardest, AP Calc. Plain and simple, calculus is already the hardest math class that you can take in high school. When you're adding an AP in front of that, it gets really, really hard. Anyways, second easiest, AP Environmental. Not gonna lie, I think regular anatomy in high school might be harder than AP Environmental. It is a lot of memorization required, but you have to do a lot less math than the other sciences, so it's just not that bad. And the hardest, of course, AP Physics. Physics requires more math than probably any other science out there, and on top of that, the AP Physics 1 test has the lowest passing rate out of any AP test. And for the easiest AP test, statistics. This is just my personal opinion, and if you couldn't tell, I'm not a math guy, but statistics probably requires the least amount of actual math out of the math classes.